Ever wondered what goes into making the perfect sushi roll? From the ocean to your plate, sushi has a fascinating journey. Did you know that sushi dates back to the 8th century in Japan, originally as a method of preserving fish? Today, it's a culinary art that combines tradition, skill, and fresh ingredients. In this video, we're uncovering the secrets behind how sushi is made. From catching the freshest fish to the precise preparation of rice and the meticulous rolling process, stay tuned to discover the magic behind every delicious bite of sushi. 1. Fishing for the freshest fish. Our journey begins in the deep blue waters, where skilled fishermen use traditional and modern techniques to catch the finest fish. The selection of fish is crucial. Only the best make it to your sushi plate. Did you know that certain fish, like the prized bluefin tuna, can fetch thousands of dollars at auction? This part of the process ensures that the fish is fresh, flavorful, and ready for sushi preparation. 2. Processing the fish. Once the fish is caught, it's immediately processed to maintain its quality. At the fish market, experts carefully inspect, clean, and fillet the fish. This step is vital for preserving the fish's texture and taste. Sushi chefs often visit these markets early in the morning to select the best fish, ensuring that what you eat is nothing short of perfection. 3. Preparing the sushi rice. Next, let's talk about the rice. Sushi rice, or sherry, is more than just a sidekick. It's the backbone of sushi. The rice is meticulously washed, cooked, and seasoned with a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives it that signature tangy sweet flavor and sticky texture. The balance of these ingredients is a well-guarded secret among sushi chefs, passed down through generations. 4. Harvesting nori. Now let's move to the seaweed, or nori. This essential ingredient starts as seaweed harvested from the ocean. It's then washed, shredded, and pressed into thin sheets before being dried. High-quality nori is crisp and adds a subtle flavor that complements the fish and rice perfectly. The process of making nori is an art in itself, requiring precision and care. 5. Assembling the sushi. Finally, it's time for the main event, assembling the sushi. Sushi chefs, or edame, train for years to perfect their craft. Each piece of sushi is a work of art, combining the freshest fish, perfectly seasoned rice, and crisp nori. Whether it's nigiri, where a slice of fish rests on a small bed of rice, or maki, where ingredients are rolled together with nori, every piece is made with precision and care. 6. The finished product. And there you have it, the journey from ocean to table. Each bite of sushi is a blend of tradition, skill, and the finest ingredients, offering a taste experience like no other. The next time you enjoy sushi, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken to reach your plate.